What is a mediation, and are you stressed about a legal dispute? Mediation might be the answer you're looking for. Mediation is a friendly and straightforward way to resolve disputes, whether it's a civil case, family divorce, or labor issue. Imagine sitting down with a neutral mediator who helps both sides understand their strengths and weaknesses. Unlike a judge, the mediator isn't there to make decisions but to help you come to an agreement. The process starts with the mediator explaining the rules. Negotiate in good faith, commit your time, willingness to be open to alternatives, and authority to sign a settlement agreement. The mediation then allows both sides to state their case uninterrupted. Once everyone has had the opportunity to state their side of the dispute, the mediator will place each party in a separate room. The mediator will meet you in the private room to discuss your options confidentially. What are your strengths of your dispute, and also your weaknesses? They'll go back and forth between parties, exploring alternatives that work for everyone. The mediator becomes the messenger carrying the offers to the parties. Everything stays civil and confidential. If you reach an agreement, great. If not, you can always go back to court. But remember, mediation puts you in control and can lead to a better outcome. So why not give it a try? Contact ADR Mediator at 832-378-4400 or email them at admin@adrmediator.com. Save time, money, and stress today.